Hello, today let's learn something simple in Appsheet. That is how to add month for your dataset. Before we begin, I would like to personally thank all of you for supporting my channel, and I will respond to your comments as much as I can. Alright, let's go. For this tutorial, I'll be using the same data from my previous video, which consists of name, date, email, and etc. Basically, what we want to do is to extract the month for the dates that we have. Let's add a virtual column. I'm naming it to month and use the following expression. I've included this in the comment section down below. All you need to do is to change the column name to your respective date column. For my case, it's onboarding date. Once done, click on Save. Let's have a look at the results. Now all of my data is showing the month. The format is the month number followed by the month name. For an example, for May it will be 5th, for June will be 6th. Let's view that in the table form. I'm creating a new view with the table format. And again, the month is showing based on the onboarding date. Now this is how it looks like in chart histogram. The reason why the number month is needed so that the arrangement is according to the month order. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs, comment on what you would like to see next. Take care, bye bye.